Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Welcome to today's video. I will be doing a unboxing of Nailboxy, the March edition. So make sure you guys have checked out my last couple of videos. If you are new here, welcome. I am doing a giveaway for reaching 500 subscribers. So if you would like to enter, make sure you hit that description box down below to check out the rules. Okay, so let's get into today's video. It's March, it's spring edition, so let's see what's inside. So opening it, you have a Bliss Nail Supply coupon code. Then you also have My Nail Stuff with a coupon code on the back. So this month we have Dulce nail sprinklers. So it came in this package here. Also received some stickers. So here is the March info card. It has March, welcome spring with the palette of bright and beautiful colors. What's included, you get 2 polishes. I'm not sure if the colors are at random, but I received a blue and a yellow. You get 4 spring sprinkles. So here's the orange and the yellow sprinkles. And here just kind of have some random sprinkles in there. I see butterflies, flowers, maybe not butterflies. Then you have some blue sprinkles. And I'm not sure what these are. Doesn't necessarily say on here. Anywho, altogether you get 2 polishes, 4 spring sprinkles, 2 bright pigments, I can't read, 1 spring Dulce decals. You get 1 small assortment of Precosa crystals. I don't know how you pronounce that. 1 coupon from Bliss Nail Supply, 1 coupon from My Nail Stuff, and 1 coupon from Pandora Las Vegas. So that is pretty much everything you receive. Bring y'all in for a closer look at everything. Glitter gets everywhere. It's all over my desk and everything. So this is everything. This is everything that you received in the March edition of Nailboxy. So this was $29.99 monthly subscription or less. This month it was $29.99. So I am excited to see what I can come up with these new sprinkles that I got, these new glitters that I received. So stay tuned to see what I can come up with. Make sure you guys have entered the giveaway. Make sure you are following me on Instagram and Facebook at DivaMePlz. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of what you'll like to see and what's just been going on. And make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. Share this with all of your beginner nail tech friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.